don't think about it. Just buy this teapot. I have drank hot tea for so long, and I was so sick of heating up water in the microwave for like 2 or 3 minutes, and it probably never even got to boiling. Was just on Amazon. Again, as always, I'm super stressed out with my options. One bad review will stress me out. This cute little teapot, of course, you're always gonna have a product, even if it's great, have bad reviews. Just buy it. It's so cheap. It's literally, well, not cheap quality. The price is amazing for what you get. It could not be more simple and perfect. Literally, just take this lid off, put your water in there, close that, put it on high, heats it up in like a minute. Obsessed, buy it. Don't think about it if you need a great teapot.
Yeah, so guys, here is my Kettle teapot that I got off Amazon, and I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. It gets hot real quick because I got a gas stove, and I got inspired by this because I seen it on Instagram. I was just scrolling on Instagram, and I seen a girl, she had it in her kitchen, and I was like, oh yeah, I gotta get me one of those. I love it. So modern, rustic look. You know, I just like it. It's so cute. So it goes good with my kitchen, backsplash, and all my other pots and stuff, guys. So yeah, check it out. It's on Amazon. Go ahead and see what it's looking like. I love it. Bye, guys.
You're not supposed to take the fire above the size of the pot, but I wanted to let you hear the whistle. It has a really tight lid. The handle goes to one side and it doesn't get hot. This opens right here really well and it snaps back closed. And it cools down real quick after the contents are emptied. And make sure you dry it out when you're done, but it's 100% stainless steel, and I like it.
Went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but none of the 5 little ducks came back.
Let me see where else it's resting.
Duck is feeling very sad. Sad mother
And then open the lid.
one day, over the hill and far.
The tea kettle has been a great investment. You put the water in there, turn it on, and when it gets to boiling, it whistles and lets you know that it's ready. Wish I had bought one of these a long time ago. It makes a lot of tea.